evening everyone. Today I Aditi from class 6D is going to make Til-Mil Paneer.
Til-Mil Paneer we need 2 tablespoon ketchup, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 pinch of orange red color, 5 tablespoon of maida. 200 gram triangle shaped paneer, and for covering we need 1 cup of breadcrumbs, half cup of sesame seeds, half cup of semolina. For marination, mix all the ingredients in a bowl. Now we will mix the paneer into the marination. Now we will make the paste for covering paneer. We will add maida, color, pepper, salt, and half cup of water. Make a smooth paste like this. Mix breadcrumbs, semolina, and sesame seeds. Dip this paneer in this batter and then cover it with this mixture. Here we have covered the all paneer slices thoroughly, and now we will fry them. Our Til-Mil Paneer is ready. You can also serve it with sauce. Thank you very much.